Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix jump space, game freezing, lagging, low FPS, crashing, not launching, not loading, stuck on black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After that, click on start, then click on power, then select a restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting, now check if you can play the game. If not, next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Now click on library, select your game. Here I am showing you the example as I have not downloaded the game. So after selecting your game, now right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go to display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your driver to the latest version. After that, check if the issue is fixed. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link I have already given in the description and update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to the Steam. Now click on Steam option over, then click on settings, then click on in-game, and here if the option is enabled, you simply need to click on it to disable this, and after that check if the problem is resolved. For Discord overlay, first go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and from there switch off enable in-game overlay option. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce, tap on the gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay option. Next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files, then click on browse. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, then select run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations, then click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, next method is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, select your properties, now click on general. Here you need to type -dx11 and then try to play the game and see if it is working. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this solution resolves the problem. Next is to allow jump space through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature. After that, click on change settings, and here you should check if your game has been listed. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where it has been installed. Once done, now add your game to the list. After adding on it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After doing this, check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, and now click on downloads, and after that, here you can go below and click on clear cache option. So after clearing the cache, now check if the problem is fixed. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go to the link that I have already given in the description. After copying this link, paste it in your browser and download and install the Visual C++ files on your PC. So go to the web browser. Now select the link and download it. After downloading it, install it on your system. After installing it, restart your PC. After restarting it, now check if you can play the game without any problem. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates option. After that, here you have to click on check for updates. It will show you if there is any update option available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if you have installed any kind of antivirus software on your system, you are suggested to disable it and then try to launch the game. Most of the time, antivirus programs interrupt while you are playing the game, so it's better to disable it and then try to launch it and see if it resolves. If not, the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall option again. So after removing the game, now restart your PC. After restarting it, launch Steam and reinstall the game once again and then try to play it and check if it resolves the problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.